In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a members-only page in Wix. Whether you're building an exclusive area for your community or setting up a special section for your loyal subscribers, making a members-only page is a fantastic way to create a sense of belonging and reward for your audience. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Wix editor. Once you're there, locate the Add Elements button. It's typically positioned on the left sidebar of your screen. Clicking this will open up a variety of options available for adding new features to your website. Now that you've accessed the element options, you'll need to find the search bar. It's usually at the top of the sidebar, and by clicking on it, you can quickly search for specific elements or features you want to add. Type Wix Members Area into the search bar and let Wix do its thing. After the search results come up, you should see the Wix Members Area listed there. Clicking on this result will allow you to add it to your site. This is an essential step, as this feature gives you the ability to create a members-only section within your website seamlessly. Once the Wix Members area is added, you can close the settings panel to go back to the main editing view. It's important to note that this feature creates a default secure login page for your members, which you'll be able to manage and customize later. Next, move your attention to the upper left section of your screen, where you'll find the Pages menu. It's the central hub for all the pages on your site. Clicking on this menu will allow you to see and manage all of your site's pages. Within the Pages menu, look for and click on Manage Pages. This option gives you control over your site's navigation and structure, enabling you to make edits as needed. After that, you'll want to click on Add Page to create a new page that you'll set up as a members-only area. Once you've done this, you can simply add a test page. Creating a test page is always a good idea, as it allows you to experiment without modifying your live site. Type a name for your page, something like Exclusive Content or Members Hub, to clearly denote its purpose. After naming your page, click Done to save it. With your page created, now it's time to configure its access. Click on Settings to access the page settings and make necessary adjustments. Navigate to the Permissions tab within the settings. Here, you'll find options to set access limits. You can choose whether this page is accessible to everyone, password holders, or site members. For a true members-only area, select Site Members to ensure only registered users can gain access. And there you have it. You've successfully added a members-only page on your Wix website. With this setup, you can now offer exclusive content or foster a tight-knit community, adding tremendous value to your site and your visitors' experience. Thank you for following along, and keep creating.